There he is, racing for the birds. They haven't spooked yet. They will. Schooner's sneaking up on them. There goes one. Yeah, there they go. Here's our view. Little sandbar. Right over there is where I live. About a half a mile, maybe 3/4 of a mile. And there's my board. It's floating away, so I better go get that. That'd be a good thing. There's downtown St. Pete, and there's the airport. Maybe can see the red lights of the Vassie. The final approach course right here. There's the board. And Schooner's way over there. Look at him go. Let's see if you can see him. He loves that. Little sailboat over there. And now all the way back around to downtown St. Pete and my board.